What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe right now. So I'm going to be going over a few things in the stock market. So far this year, we had a little bit of volatility with Trump announcing global tariffs. The tariffs were cut down by the Supreme Court on Friday, and then we came back and said that over the weekend, he decided that he's going to move global tariffs from 10% to 15%. So even though these tariffs were considered illegal, he's still going to proceed with adding some more tariffs and even raising these tariffs to 15%. So that could create some market volatility. So one of the companies that I'm watching this week, two companies that I'm watching this week, one is going to be NVDA and the other one is going to be AMD. Now, AMD is a chip company. I've been in this stock for a while. The company currently trades around $200. I'm looking at my notes, and one thing I like about AMD is AMD has 2025 full year gross profits of $34.6 billion, and this company also has a 50% gross margin rate um, of gross margins at 50%. So from Q4 of 2024 to 2025, the revenue in AMD has increased 34%. And this week we also have NVIDIA, which will be a big company that is reporting earnings. So this could possibly move AMD. So AMD right now, we had a low of in April 2024 of $78. We had a high in October 2025 of 276, and AMD is currently trading around $200. So as we watch NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday, we'll be watching to see if AMD moves. AMD is, to me, is a B tier or second to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the company that I would rather have. It's the number one company that I would think in the chip sector that I would like to be invested in. I've been investing in NVIDIA for a while, and I'm not planning on selling whether the earnings are good or bad. So if earnings do go against estimates and they're not what we expect, this may be a good opportunity this week to buy NVIDIA. And NVIDIA, I ideally want to buy this below 170, but I will even look in the 175 range. This week also, in other news, we have Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is falling between to $65,000. So if you guys are a Bitcoin holder and you believe in Bitcoin, this may be your opportunity to buy some. But AMD has come down from that 267, 270 range. So we're now about 30%, almost 30% down from the highs. So this is a place I'm looking to get in. I do think that AMD could possibly trade down to the 180 range. So this week I'll be interested to see. NVIDIA is probably one of my biggest holdings. Let me just pull up NVIDIA on my laptop, and NVIDIA is currently trading at around $189. So we saw that the NVIDIA market cap has pulled back some from a $5 trillion market cap. It's now in the fours. So that is a stock that Wednesday, if this moves negatively, I wouldn't be deterred. I wouldn't go. I would still be willing to buy some more shares to get in this because this is going to be a long-term hold for me. I've been holding this stock for years, and I do not plan on selling because they have competitors and other people that are in the field, but they do not have a company that's the profit margins that is in the GPU space that is dominating in the AI data centers, everything AI going on right now. So NVIDIA for me, even at the 189 price, I like to see it go a little bit lower. And so if we can catch it somewhere around the 170 range, 170 is where I would like to buy it. I'm not telling you guys to buy this. I cannot tell you guys where to buy these stocks. I'm just saying what I would do. And personally, AMD would be in the 175 range. NVIDIA, if I can buy it, would be in the 170 range. Even though the market cap on NVIDIA is much bigger than AMD, they still the prices that I would like to buy. So earnings for NVIDIA are going to be very important Wednesday because that could move the market up or down, and we could see possibly some volatility in the market where if NVIDIA earnings don't do well and Bitcoin falls below that 65,000 continues to fall this week, it could be a buying opportunity. I'm not telling you guys to buy Bitcoin, but 65,000 is a place that I like Bitcoin. If you believe in it as a long-term hold, this may be a place to get in. Also, this week we'll be watching other things in the chip sector like Broadcom. If you guys have gotten this position, if you have not, or if you want to add to it, this NVIDIA earnings, I believe, with whatever Jensen Wang says, I think it's going to be very important for the market. On SPY has been trading in a range lately. We've kind of been for the past month or so. We've kind of been in the same range. Right now, SPY is currently sitting at about 689. So I like to add to SPY and BOO monthly whenever I can. So this month I will be looking to probably add some more SPY and BOO. If we had the volatility like we were at just a little while ago, we were down to about in the 670 range, the 650 range. If we get down that range again, I'll be looking to add some more BOO and SPY. Those are also my index funds. Those are my biggest holdings. So this week, just be careful. Look out for the volatility in the market. If we see NVDA trade down because of news or the earnings are not what they expected to be. And last but not least, I will be looking for probably Netflix. I'm looking to add some more Netflix shares. And Netflix is a company that I like because it is a company that has recurring revenue. I think that with this whole Warner Brothers deal, I think that it may go through. They would possibly take on more debt, but if this does not work out well and they do not buy the company, I believe that Netflix is a long-term hold. This is a stock that I buy. I buy it for my kids. And so you guys to buy this stock, but a stock that I like because of the recurring revenue. I think it's going to be a long-term hold for me. If you guys have any questions, any stocks you'd like me to research, talk about, please make sure you guys let me know down in the comments. Leave a like if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace.